Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you. This is coming from my friend Chiquita, and she told me she sent me some happy mail for my birthday. So we were really concerned again because it just takes forever for her mail to get to me. So anyway, it did come like this, a little bit damaged, and I don't know if she taped it like this or not, but we're gonna get into it now. So let me just cut open, get this end open up right here. Chiquita, yay! It made it. It made it, girl. It made it. I have a whole bunch of mail today. Family and I went out today and came home like this evening, and there's so much mail. My husband is freaking out. Oh my gosh, what is this, girlie? What did you do? Oh my gosh. What? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, hold on. There's one more thing here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, that's all. Let me see. This is her note. She already sent me her birthday entry for my giveaway. But she sent me another package, girlie. What? It says, "Hi Eileen, handmade with love. Hope you like it. Happy birthday. Thank you for your service. Hugs, love, Debra." Oh, Debra. You're gonna make me cry, girl. You're gonna make me cry. Okay. Thank you so much, Debra. We know her as Chiquita, so I'm gonna call her Chiquita. So this is what she sent me. And let me open this to see what this little baggie says. Thrifty find. Hope you like it. Oh girl, you know I'm gonna like it. You sent me something. I'm gonna love it. Don't worry about that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? This is a little puppy. Oh my goodness. This looks like my little puppy. Oh. Okay, so we had a little puppy. His name was, well, not puppy, little dog. His name was Cassius, and he was an Australian Shepherd, but his markings were similar to this. He was white with a lot of brown and, you know, black and tan colorings all around him. So thank you so much, Chiquita. Yes, I do love this. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Really? Okay, let me open this. I don't know what you would send me again, man. What? This is crazy. She was hoping I would get it on my birthday. So let's see. Try on camera. Oh my god. Yes, I will try this on camera. Chiquita. I love these things. I usually put these in my birthday gifts also. So you guys, this is from Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen them there, you need to get one. So be warned, it's gonna shake the camera a little bit. So all you gotta do, it's called a whack a pack. Oops. It's supposed to pop open, so it's activated now. This is supposed to pop. Oh my god. And there it is. That just freaked me out. So can you hear it? It's filling up. So it's activated. It's not fully activated though, but it'll continue to expand. So you see it popped out of this. It freaked me out. She told me to try it, so I did. So that's all you do. You just get it and you smash it, and then it'll expand and pop, and then you get your balloon. So I love these things. Oh my god, I love these things. Thank you, Chiquita. It's still filling up. You hear it? So it's going to continue to expand. So that was so much fun. Thank you so much, Chiquita. Okay, so here's another one, and she's got it wrapped in this beautiful lace which I can definitely use. Yes. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of lace, girl. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will definitely be using this. Let me put that right there. And let's see what she sent to me. Let's see, let's see. Oh, Chiquita. It says, let's hang. Did you add the flowers too? Oh, there's some confetti here, guys. Oh, this is so cute. So super cute. Okay, it's wanting to stick to me now. So cute. Thank you, Chiquita. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See, it's still expanding. It's still going, guys. And then the very last one is vacuum sealed. What is this, woman? Oh my goodness, let me see. So fancy. She got a nice little vacuum seal here. Wow. Okay, let me see. Oh, there. Oh no, I already read that. I said try it on camera. What is this? Look at this gold leaf trim. It's wrapped around here. Oh wow. Thank you, Chiquita. You definitely know I'm going to use that. You know that, right? Definitely. I'm going to be using this. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Let me get this tape off of here. There you go. Beautiful trim. Thank you so much. And then, what is this? What's this? What's this? Oh my goodness. What is this? You got layers and layers of here. Oh my. Chiquita is a crocheter, guys, okay? So she made me a beautiful bag. Oh my gosh, Chiquita. Look at this beautiful cinched bag, guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the little drawstrings. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all her pearls. Oh, this is so pretty. And she has little flower beads on the end of her tassels, or her bead strings here. Let me show you. See these little bead caps at the very end right here? This one. So pretty. She's got a purple one here too. And she has it on here with a little key ring, and it's on a safety pin. This is gorgeous, you guys. This is crochet beautifulness. Oh my gosh, Chiquita. I'm trying to open and see how big. So there, look how big it can open to. Isn't that beautiful? And the yarn she chose. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh, Chiquita, thank you so very much. Oh, this is beautiful. Like, it's too pretty. It's so beautiful. These are like, I think these are glass beads, guys. They're not plastic because they have a little weight to them. Thank you so much, Chiquita. All these beautiful gifts. Girlie, you didn't have to do all that, but I love you. And thank you so, so very much. Oh my gosh. For all of this, it's still expanding. It'll continue to expand until all the little chemicals on the inside of the balloon are dissolved. But that's what you get when you pop it. So beautiful. And I have 3 more, so I might be gifting those. That's gonna be exciting. Yes. Thank you so much, Chiquita. Please go check her out. Her channel originally started for crocheting, guys, okay? and she just like recently got into her paper crafting vibe right now. So go check out her channel for some crochet. She still has it there, but now she's into paper crafting, and I believe it'll all be there. So I'll leave her links down below in the description box. Click on the down arrow and you'll see all the links. And don't forget to subscribe to all the beautiful ladies who are entering into the challenge. And if you feel like you want to enter, go right ahead, guys. Just go follow the link and watch the original video to see what you need to do, because all you need is a memory dex. That's it. Put it in an envelope with your information on the back, with your likes, your dislikes, your birthday, anything else you want to share with me on the back of the memory dex. And it's just anything, any theme, anything that you want to represent yourself, not for me, but for yourself. Okay? So thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.